review on the Surface Pro 3. I'll go through some benchmarks and tell you some specs, and I'm very surprised actually. It's much better than I thought it would be. A lot of the features that you know about, like the frictionless stand and the touch pen, they will work perfectly fine. The only problem that I had with it was the touchpad, but we'll get to that later. Anyway, so the version of Surface Pro 3 I got was, I'm just reading off the screen here so I don't get anything wrong. I got the i7 4650 at 2.3 GHz, but it has a boost speed of 3 GHz. It has 8 GB of RAM, a 256 GB solid state drive, Intel 5000 onboard graphics, and a resolution of 2160 by 1440. Now, I wanted to do some real testing, so benchmarks and all that, they're fine and all that, but I wanted to see what games this device could play. At the moment, it's currently my only computer. I'm not planning on keeping it that way, but at the moment, it's the only thing I can use. So I'm an avid gamer, you know, we all are, really. So I wanted to see how well this tablet could hold up to some of the more intensive games. Not going Crysis 3 level, obviously, because as a tablet with onboard graphics, you can't really expect it to display a decent or playable frame rate. But a lot of the other games that I used to play before, I can still play perfectly fine now, albeit at a lower graphics setting. So let's go and have a good look at the Surface itself and then some review. Okay, so starting off, I'm going to be showing you the differences between the two cameras. So at the moment I'm filming using a Sony HD camcorder, you know, one of the little handheld ones. So I'm also going to be showing you the difference between the two cameras on the Surface Pro 3. So there's a back-facing and a forward-facing camera. They're both exactly the same. They're both 5 megapixels and they both have 1080p recording. All the Surface Pro 3s have the exact same cameras. It doesn't change depending on the model. So the difference between now and now, as you can see, the change difference and back. So both cameras are the same, so I won't do it for the forward-facing one. But as you can see, they're pretty decent cameras, and for a $1,000 tablet for the i3 version, it's a pretty good deal. There we have it. As you can see, we had some very good results in the Dota 2 and Minecraft categories, with an average frame rate of 41 for Dota and 50 for Minecraft. It was let down a little bit by a story about our uncle, but that's not really surprising considering it is an independent game and it probably hasn't been optimized as much as the other ones. Also, the Source engine seems to have a fairly solid rate. So overall, I would highly recommend this to anyone who needs a mobile device, such as a student or a workman. They are quite expensive, however, I chose to get the i7 version just because I really wanted to get the best. But the i5 and the i3 would suit your purposes fine, especially if you don't mind having to
have less performance when it comes to games. So here's my review of the Surface Pro 3. It's a very good product. I would recommend it to anyone. Yeah, see you. Thank you for watching.